Cebuano creativity, ingenuity, and resourcefulness do not only show in the building of their boats and their implements, or in the flavors of their culinary traditions. It is best seen in the elevation of ordinary materials to a thing of design and beauty. The wide variety of shells found in the seas of Cebu offers local artisans excellent materials they can use in decorating their bodies and their homes. The form, colors, and textures of these shells inspire them to create jewelry, embellishments to textiles, home decors, and functional objects of specialized and everyday use. One shellcraft art form is called lagang, which involves cutting nautilus shells into pieces and arranging them into intricate patterns to create a unique piece of artwork. This technique is popular in Bantayan and Olango Islands, where the people have perfected the craft. In the past, Bantayan Island was famous for its coral and shell crabs. Unfortunately, destructive fishing methods have caused damage to the marine ecosystem, resulting in the decline of the industry. Another example of a stunning shellcraft are the shell decor and jewelry. Necklaces, bracelets, table mats, even curtains and chandeliers are among the shell handicrafts produced by local fishing communities. Although it takes time and effort to make shell curtains and other shell accessories, the results are truly worth it.